how to clear cookies and cache on Facebook. If at the end of this video guys you find so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now first thing to do is to open up your phone and open up your Facebook. Then from there guys, go ahead and click on your menu here, your profile here. Then when you click on it guys, scroll up until get to settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. From that settings and privacy guys, scroll up and click on settings. Under this page guys, search for browser and click on browser. Click on it, it will bring you to this page. Under this browser settings guys, see browsing activities. You can see cookies and cache. If you want to clear it, just go ahead and click on this clear. Now a message will pop up, clear cookies and cache. If you clear the cookies and cache from your site you've visited on Facebook, will be removed from your device. If you want to clear it, just go ahead and click on clear. Then clearing cookies and cache, just give it time to clear it off. You can see it has cleared off. Last clear today is at 5 p.m. So guys, that is how to clear cookies and cache on Facebook. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give the thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.